Yo, boom! It's your boy, your King Change, your cream de la cream bafethu. Welcome to Angisakufuni on your number one channel. It's King Changer TV. You know the story. If you haven't subscribed, do the right thing. Subscribe right now, my brother. And let's see ukuthi kwenzakalani. Subtitles will be coming back, guys. Sorry for the delay. Sitakulungisa lokho. Sitakulungisa. We are coming back to everyone all over the globe that's supporting this channel. Thank you so much for sticking with us. We're going to try by all means to bring back the subtitles because we can't lose you guys. We love you. Today is another case. Bayakhala bafethu bathi kumina nje bona bakhathele umjolo ongekho right. King Changer, I'm tired. Ngicela ukuhlukana nomuntu wami. Hayi ke mawuthi uyayicelela ngizongenza njani? Ngeke nginqabe mina. Abahlukane abantu la. Mzansi musa ukuhlala kwi relationship toxic. Ngikhona. Let me be your savior. Let me set you free. Take me to kwabahlukanayo. Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Changer, cream de la cream. Bathi mtimanje mabuyo bampolunyu class. Welcome to Angisakufuni. On this show is whereby I give people a platform to break up. No way, break it up now. My sister, hey, what made you go to Yo guys, we are back at it, Mtanami. As you all know, today is another day, another kuhlukana. Hey bafethu kunzima uma isister uyangikhalela uthi kumina King Changer ngikubhalele ngoba ngiyakhala ngithi kunomuntu engithandana naye and I feel like ngathi izinto ayiconnect ngathi angazi ngenze njani. Siyacela ukuthi ngidonse my sister kube uyo sichazelayo ositshelayo ukuthi what is what and kwenzakalani kwi relationship yakhe because uyakhala uthi I boyfriend yakhe ngathi hayi asizona. Sister, come this side. Unjani make?
I'm good in yourself.
I'm good. Bani kama?
Noku.
Noku.
Yes.
Noku, where you from? Home.
Zim.
Which side?
Harare.
Ah, okay. I'm gonna be touring. So I'm gonna be touring south and north.
Okay.
So I might pass by and
you should. We should even go together.
Ha. Break up with him first.
I'm right now.
I'm
serious.
Break up with him first.
You're gonna see.
Break up with him first and we travel together.
With him. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Nice to meet you. So, what is going on with your relationship? Talk to us, Mfethu.
Yo, it's a lot, like this guy. You're gonna see him now. He's very nonchalant. He's always going out. He's going out with females. I don't mind him going out, but then now it's an everyday thing. Can't even make time for me at all. Sure. Guys, you don't want my man to be with me.
So, when he goes out and dances with other females.
And he posts on his Instagram, WhatsApp statuses everywhere. He's busy posting girls shaking their bums on him and stuff like that.
Oh.
And I'm supposed to be fine with it.
So when you talk to him, Aring?
Ignorant. He's very ignorant. Tells you, okay, no, we'll talk when I come back. Doesn't come back.
So what is it that you loved about him?
I loved him for who he was, At first he was nice, he was rosy, would go out, little dates, I didn't really look at the fact that our lives are a bit different, but now it's just getting out of hand. Yeah, so I'm calling it quits.
So you are saying enough is enough?
Enough is enough. I'm tired. Daneta.
Tired. Exhausted.
Hey.
So now, have you found some new slicky after you being tired?
Yeah, I have hummus. You might next. How?
Sister,
I'm serious.
focus. No. Focus, we are here to break up.
Okay.
So nothing, no one has came
Nah.
knocking on the door.
Nothing. It's very dry. So.
In the markets, someone from high school coming back
Luto.
stronger.
Nothing. It's just me and my nonchalant man who I'm breaking up with right now.
So what is it that you want to tell him when we bring him here?
That I've tried to be patient with him and now he can just do him honestly and I'll do me.
No, Shilong.
Yeah.
Dlamini, sondela mfethu uma isisi udinga usizo lethu la. So my brother Dlam he said to me, I must tell you that he's got two options for you.
Okay.
When you're done breaking up with your toy boy, we can give him 50 rand. He climb a taxi, take a taxi to Bree, from Bree go to Lokshin. Or we take you back with the same car as we brought you here.
Give him a taxi to go back.
Okay. Lems? Kuthiwa lo Groover akalali, kuthiwa ifebe zinombele ebhlukweni. So ngicela umehlise. So what is it that you are looking from a man that he's no longer doing?
What?
What is it that you are looking from someone new as he's failing?
You know, just being there for me. And I'll do the same thing as well. Sure. You know, we spend time together. Because I love traveling, you know. I love going out, trying new restaurants.
No.
It's not all about groove, guys.
This one. This is the one.
Yeah.
Ooh, you're in trouble.
Tell me about it.
Yo, brother, how's it, man? What up, homie? Good, bro?
I'm good.
Yeah, I go by the name of King Ginger. What's your name, brother?
I go by the name of Spencer G.
Spence and Faith.
Yeah.
Sure. You know Mama's, right?
I know Mama.
Sure. So she's been telling us about your relationship, the way you guys are flowing, the way you love her, and the way you are treating her so nice. What is it that you love about her?
I love that. Firstly, she's a wife material.
Sure.
And secondly, she's not into guys. She's not that kind of girl that could get pressure from homeboys who have money. You feel me?
Sure.
And like the third thing that I like about her is that she's loving.
She's loving.
Yeah, I got sure. Guy.
Manje Toki, when she's loving, what do you do? Do you also loving?
Yes, for a start, I'm loving. Feel?
Yeah.
I'm loving.
So what is it that you guys like to do together? You as a loving guy?
Or me as a loving guy? Sometimes we chill. I'd come to her side, or sometimes she'd come to my side, which is
you chill.
The way.
How often?
Maybe I'd say in a month.
Yeah.
Twice, if I'm not mistaken. Thrice.
Thrice or twice?
Yeah, in a month.
Which is what?
Yeah, which is and when we link up, but make sure that we do spend time.
Yeah, for sure, because it's been a while.
It's been a while, and we don't stay near each other. That's the thing.
Okay, so now, my brother, ngifuna ukwazi-ke kuwe-ke manje ukuthi so wena as a guy, where do you see this relationship going? Iyaphi lento eniyenzayo?
Yeah, yabona-ke lesiyenzayo kwamanje mina ngibona ukuthi sisabuild. I won't say kahle we have a certain path yakhona, because I'm still trying to work the way of the both of us out there. I'm still trimming that path. So ngathi la siyakhona kude kona, but if sizobuild asithu ayindele nje.
Yindele?
It's a long one.
It's a long one.
Yeah.
Kunenye indlela afuna nithathe shortcut to my sister.
Aye.
Yeah, sister, please tell him everything you told me, shortcut, because it's saying it's long.
Okay, so I brought you here because I'm breaking up with you. I've tried to be patient with you. Yeah.
Yeah, break up.
You heard me right.
Break up, bruh.
Break up.
Break up. Mina ngazi interview break up. So uzimisele ngokuhlukana nami, basically, like that's what's on your mind currently.
Yeah.
Oh, and you're thinking it's the best thing for you.
It is the best thing for me because I've been patient with you for so many times.
Yes.
You've been
Have I
patient
not?
enough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think you've been patient enough because if you've been patient enough, you would have let me know that, nah, you know what, bro?
Do you listen? Do you listen when I'm telling you how I feel? Do you listen to me?
Do I listen?
Or you
Who's a
always saying
man?
I'm a shashalaza, I'm always talking.
Who's a man here?
So a man doesn't listen.
Listen.
You're supposed to listen to me either way.
Alright, so actually something. I will listen to you either way if ever you listen to me either way. Yeah,
Also, I don't listen to you.
Nah, you do listen to me, but then you taking me here, telling me that it's an interview and jiggy, it's a breakup. Does it seem like you listening to me? The fuck?
Bruh, she's breaking up with you.
Like it or
So
not,
you
even if it's
listen-
an interview, I don't care.
Can't you, bruh, who do you think you are?
No.
I was actually something. I can't lower my standards for you.
I lowered my standards for
Oh,
you.
you
You
lowered
stay
my
in DK, my guy. Chill.
Oh, let me tell
Do
you
you
something.
know what it's like to be in the burbs? Do you know?
Let me tell you something. Ne? You
tell
either
me.
in the burbs with the beds or whatsoever. That doesn't bring shit to the table. I
Do
deal
you
with
bring? Do you bring?
Do I bring?
Do you have?
see how am I? Check. Let me tell you something. My fate ain't even a tint of what you're wearing currently.
Yeah, because I
Like,
am.
let me tell you something.
humbled.
Check. I can't put up with you being a newbie at home and think you gonna fit my standard. Check. I'm from DK, ne? But I'm on another level up.
Okay.
You feel me? And
Why
I don't
you-
think that, check, let me
Okay.
tell you something. You breaking up with me, it ain't really a favor for you, but you actually building also my way up. Cause, man, you ain't giving me shit, man. Hey, God.
Okay, I'm not giving you shit.
But my
Yeah.
brother, at the end of the day, it's a breakup what is happening right now. And she's the one that has brought you here. All the way from the pubs, Noma, all the way from the DK, Noma, all the way from K1. We are here and you are done today.
So pelile.
It's actually
Ngonkanje.
who they sister.
Yes.
So what's actually something named sister. If you think that breaking up with me it's actually a good thing for you, let me tell you something.
Tell
It's
me.
not as if there's a guy who you actually would pleasurize at this moment.
No, there isn't.
Let me tell you something.
Tell me.
I ain't got some satisfaction on you.
Oh,
First things first.
now. oh.
Listen. Secondly, it's not as if you a girl that I pull up with my gents where they say bring up somebody.
Oh, dog!
So you cheat?
Oh,
So
really?
you cheating
Oh,
on
really?
me? So you cheating on me?
Nah, let me tell
I'm
you.
here
listen.
being.
Oh, really?
Being a loyal girlfriend to
You the
you
one-
cheating on me.
You the one.
You cheating on me.
Mamela, ungilethele out izohlukana nawe.
Yeah.
Oh,
Nah, you should
really?
have
So
done
now
a
you're
fuck.
dropping a bomb like that, bro?
Telling me cheating on me.
You cheating on her and you
don't
think
give
that's
a
a
fuck,
game?
bro.
That's a game, bro? And you are stopping her when she's breaking up with you? But you can't pull up with her on your chance?
Can't even take me on a
Oh,
date.
shit.
Can't even give. Look at his watch.
Oh,
Look
shit.
at
Let me
his
tell you
watch.
something. Let me tell you something. Ne?
Oh,
I
shit.
tried changing you. I tried putting that glow. Ne? And what's actually something.
I don't even need your money, mind you. I don't even need your money.
I don't give a fuck about
Because
money.
you don't have anything.
Bro,
Relax. Don't let this outfit make you think
oh,
otherwise.
shit.
Calm
Bro,
down.
you're dropping a bomb like
I'm
that.
fly as hell and you
But
down
you
as
are
hell.
done.
currently.
Oh, okay.
And
Let me
For
tell you
now,
something.
yeah, for now.
Check my life and your life in the next 2 months and let's see who's currently going up.
It's
Let me
gonna
tell
be
you
better
something.
because
Check,
I
check,
have
check.
more money than you, but I'm not even
My
saying that
sister,
right
lalela.
now.
I'm fed up. Ne?
You're
Mbona
fed
kahle
up.
ukuthi you think that you're fed up, but you don't know my side. Let me tell you something. It's been like 3 months being fed up with you, and apparently you had
So you couldn't break up with me 3 months ago.
I'm
But
not
she's
into
the one who's
that.
breaking
I
up
brought
with
you.
you.
I brought you here
because
right
of
now. Like,
check.
come on, make it
Do
make
you know
sense.
what's last? I was just having you for those moments. If I'm bored, I could.
Oh, so you're using
I
me.
know.
You're using me.
You're using-
You're using me.
There. Why would
Are you serious right now?
Yeah, mnigu 20 rand lo.
Yabonga Mqokeni.
Yeah, 20 rand uthi
Scotch, yeah, it's a second.
uthatha itex uzothatha
Yes,
itex
sis.
laphana
That's a
ugibele
die.
3 because uyuza ingane na imali uthi asikunike 20.
Ay 20 ke lona usakutshela
Thatha.
something ngicabana nabo magezi ayichoko ngalibamba. I don't need that swing.
Uzothola ama taxi lapha entabeni. Yeah, that's fucked up too, bro, for you to do like this, bro.
Let me tell you
I
something.
give
What?
you.
You've been
You're literally
telling
my
me-
first. You're literally my first. So you're saying you're using me.
Ustot wena usebenzisela umntwana lona. Hayi hamba naye welcome asamdingi. Ustot wena Mr America
Ungibone njani before ngitshela lento okutshelayo.
Ustot wena Mr America.
I sham devil in shall flee sham.
Who is this American guy?
American. American where?
A deep sleuth guy.
That's him, Spencer.
Spencer. His name is Spencer. Get out of here. I'm sorry.
No, it's fine.
You're gonna be fine though.
Yeah, I'm gonna be fine.
Yeah.
Thank you for your time.
New beginnings are coming, new journey, a new adventure. You're gonna be fine. This boy has been using you for so long. And it hurts that he's been your face.
Yeah! Man! Wow. Wow. Ah, wow. Thank you.
Look at this. Can't even ra. Sisters, welcome. We'll take you to the car and then we will drive you home.
Thank you.
Yeah. Ask Keith, innit?
It's fine.
Sharp. Sorry, man. Oh. No. Let me tell you something. And let me tell you secondly. Dlamini! It is what it is. No, man, let's not waste any time. Guys, take us straight home. Hey, yo! It's your boy, King Ginger, Cream de la Cream. Got some demand to Mabuyu, Bampolunu, Stars. Welcome to Angie Sakufuni. On this show is whereby I give people a platform to break out. No way. Bring it up now. Hey! What made you go to inkinga usekhathele yisena